CrystalErica. Today we are baking a zucchini. I want to show you guys. I grew this on my own in my backyard. Without damaging them up, throwing them around, so I'm not going to let them go bad. So straight up our zucchini and our apples. So let's do that. Now that we got both our zucchini and our apples, so we're going to take paper towels and we're going to squeeze them a little bit and get all the moisture. We have squeezed all the excess moisture out of our zucchini. So the next thing we're going to do is whip up our egg with and our sugars, and we're going to get started on that. That's what's next. Minutes. We're going to check it. If it's not ready, it's going to go for 70, and that's it. Loaf bread. And we're going to make a brown sugar frosting to go on top. Zucchini bread is all done. Look at that. Bread. Yes, this will be definitely a part of the Café Christmas. $30. This is a big pan. Bread. Alright, let's make the glaze. Then we have a half a cup of brown sugar, a quarter cup of unsalted butter, like that, okay. A splash of vanilla. And then we need some powdered sugar. Sifter here. Get it all sifted up.